Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got some information on the anticipated DJI Air 3 which is rumoured to come out in late July. So for all you drone enthusiasts, let's just get into the latest information on this amazing drone that's going to be coming out. So let's waste no more time, let's get into it. So DJI have done it again, so they're bringing out a new drone. So it's going to be the DJI Air 3. So this is going to obviously be the newer model to the Air 2S, which was an amazing drone that came out about a year ago or so, or more than a year. So that drone did have some really good features, really good image quality with its 1-inch sensor, but now they've gone and upped the game now and gone for the DJI Air 3, which is going to be like obviously going up from the Air 2 and also the Air 2S. So let's just have a look at some specs and go through some specs about this drone that's going to be coming out shortly. So the DJI Air 3 is going to be a compact foldable drone with 2 powerful cameras and a wide angle and a 3x medium telephoto lens. So you're going to enjoy optimized flights with a maximum of 46 minutes flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing and O4 video transmission. So you're going to be able to capture breathtaking details of any scene with a dual camera. It's going to have a 48 megapixel camera, 4K HDR video. So you're going to get some really good stunning pictures with this drone. 3 is going to boast this dual primary camera system on the Air series. So it's going to be embedding a 1/1.3 inch CMOS wide angle camera and a 1/1.3 CMOS 3x medium telephoto. So that's all going to be compact in this small body. So the 2 cameras will have the same sensor size but different focal lengths, delivering consistent image quality and more dynamic image possibilities. So the wide angle camera is going to be a aperture of 1.7 and the 3x medium telephoto camera is going to be f.28 aperture. So that's, like I said, going to have a focal equivalent of 70mm, and the 1.7 is going to have a 24mm as well. So the Air is going to also have focus track. So this is a feature that's on most DJI drones. So it's going to keep the subject easily in the center of frame because it's going to be using that 3x medium telephoto camera as well. So it's been updated, so it's going to have good tracking performance combined with omnidirectional obstacle sensing to get well planned shots whenever or wherever you need them. So it's going to have Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 5.0 and Point of Interest 3.0. So it's still going to have the quick shots. The Air 3 will still have that. So you've got like rocket, droney, circle, helix, boomerang and asteroid, which has always been on the DJI drones. So you're going to have master shots as well. So it'll automatically perform camera movements, shooting multiple clips and editing them with music, cuts and effects for fast and simplified cinematic footage. Also, because it's going to have different cameras on there, so you'll be able to have a night mode feature. So it's going to be noise-free footage of up to 4K 30 frames per second in low light environments at night. So that's going to be a really good feature on this drone. So the flight time on the Air 3 is going to be extended flight. So the Air 3 is going to offer up to 46 minutes of flight time, an increase of 48% compared to the previous generations of DJI drones. This provides plenty of time to explore and adjust compositions and get the shots you want during a single flight. So it will come with the Fly Combo pack as well, so you're going to get those 3 extra batteries and the new RC controller. So the price of the drone then that's expected to come out, so for the Fly More combo pack with the RC2 controller, we're going to be looking at £1,295 or $1,412 in the USA. So that's the Fly More combo pack. So you're going to get 2 additional batteries as well as the one inside the drone and the new RC2 controller. So, you know, that's not bad. You know, it's cheaper than Mavic 3 as well, that's out there at the moment. So I think this is going to sell well because you're going to get that RC2 controller. So let me know in the comments below about your thoughts on the DJI Air 3 drone that's coming out probably late July. Just let me know in the comments if you'd be looking at getting one. I don't know if I'm gonna upgrade to that yet, but we'll just have to see when it comes out, you know, what this drone can do. So if you could comment and like and subscribe to my channel on BKM Tech Reviews, that'd be much appreciated, as it will help my channel grow, because I want to build this channel up on tech reviews as well. So, you know, hope to see you all soon on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews.